Ah, solid shot.
Well, it's finally here, the air rifle that a lot of South Africans have been waiting for, the Daystate Alpha Wolf. Now let me tell you, the first time when I opened up that hard case and I saw this nice looking laminated red stock on this tactical looking air rifle, it just blew my freaking mind. It is just so beautiful, and I must give a thumbs up there to the guys at Manelli. They just know exactly what to do when they're making these stocks for Daystate. Now before I carry on, I just want to give a big thanks to Daystate and Portman Co here in South Africa. Portman Co is the official dealer and distributor of Daystate, Brocock and MTC here in South Africa. So if you guys wish to get your hands on anything that you see in front of me here today, please feel free to use the links in the video description. Reach out to them. They would be more than happy to sort you guys out. So before we get into the hunting, just a quick introduction of what you guys see in front of me here, because this is exactly the same setup that I'm going to use for the hunt today. So obviously right in front of me here, I have the Daystate Alpha Wolf in 22 caliber. This is the high powered version, not the sub 12 foot-pound version, obviously. And I decided to use the JSB Redesign 25 grain pellets, shooting them at around 940 feet per second, and it gives me exceptionally well accuracy out of this barrel. Now, like most of you may know, the Alpha Wolf is built on the exact same footprint as the Delta Wolf, but it has a few changes on it. So I'll get into that in the future. So if you wish to see those videos, please remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you can be notified with all the upcoming videos of this little air rifle. Taking a look at the back here, the butt looks a bit funky. This is a PRS adjustable butt, and it works really good and it's super comfortable to use on this air rifle. So if you wish to get your hands on it, reach out to Portman Co. They got you covered there as well. Taking a look at the top here, this is a MTC scope, a 5x25x56 first focal plane, and it also did a good job out in the field as well. The scope rings are 45mm adjustable scope rings from Eaglevisioncam, and as you guys may know, this is the only scope rings that I use on my air rifles because they are super good quality. Right here at the front, moderator of choice is the 0 dB silencer or moderator, which you can also find at Portman Co. So basically that's that on the air rifle. So without wasting more time, let's go hunting.
Oh, beautiful shot. That's 50 meters. First one. Oh, nice. I had to take it quickly. It was walking. I ranged for 65 meters, but I think it was a little bit further. But that was a nice shot, right in the wind. Oh, 110 meters. Furthest shot with the Alpha Wolf so far. The JSB Redesign 25 grainers work brilliantly. Just bad that the wind is so crappy today, but it makes for interesting shots. Oh yes, like just scraped it. Solid shot, 66 meters. Perfect shot, 70 meters. Oh, smacked him. Nice. Two right after each other, 70 meters, beautiful. Oh, beauty. That was 100. Let me see, I'm not pretty sure. 133 meters, sorry. Damn, that's far. There's still another one sitting there, but I'm not sure what the wind is doing. I'm gonna try for another couple of shots and see, maybe I'm lucky. Oh, just missed it. Seems like there's a little bit of wind, but damn, that is the furthest shot with the Alpha Wolf so far, with normal pellets, not with slugs or anything funny. So I'm very happy. I'm super happy. Oh, solid. 70 meters. Oh, what a cracking shot. 117 meters. I had to hold 1.5 mils for the wind. That was freaking awesome to see that pellet curl in like that. And there you can see it's going to go down now. It's going to expire. Come on, come on. And down he goes. That was awesome. The way I knew how to hold for the wind. The previous shot was completely miss. So I took a quick shot just to see what the wind is doing. And I saw that it was 2 mils for the wind actually. So I felt the wind is actually dying down ever so slightly. And you know, rather play it safe with 1.5 and completely miss or completely strike it. And I was rewarded with a perfect kill there. So I'm very happy with that shot. Okay guys and girls, I think that's going to be a wrap for today. It was a pretty successful day out with the Alpha Wolf. This is the first time out with it, and it was pretty successful. I must say the gear that I used today was really top notch. Obviously it's the Alpha Wolf in 22 caliber, and then the JSB 25 grain redesigns really did an amazing job in these windy conditions. I had some great shots out at 133 meters and some cracking shots in the wind out here to my left at 117 meters with the wind. So all in all, really happy with the performance of the air rifle, and hopefully I can take it out very soon again and come out and enjoy myself again. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.